In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase your font size on Squarespace. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I'm going to open up Squarespace and you can see what the current font size is set to. So to make this larger and easier to read, what we need to do is head back and then click into our settings app on our mobile phone. From here, scroll down and then click into display. Once you're inside display, again navigate lower and look for font size and style. Click onto that. Once you're inside font size and style, you'll see at the bottom of the page it will say font size with a slider below that. Move that slider to the right and that's going to increase your font size accordingly to make it larger. And if you move it to the left, it's going to decrease your font size. So I suggest keeping it near the right hand side. And if we go ahead and go back to Squarespace, it should be changed accordingly. So there you go, you're seeing that change on the screen. So yeah, have a play around with that slider and see what size you want to set your Squarespace font to be, and then continue on.